Are you worried about your symptoms? Don't waste time searching online. A recent Healthily survey of 3,000 women found a third of them would turn to a symptom checker to help them feel more in control of their health. Step 1. Enter your symptoms. Use your own words to describe how you're feeling. You can add as many symptoms as you want. Step 2. Your assessment. Our AI system will then ask you questions about your symptoms to narrow down what it could be, just like a doctor would. Step 3. Your report. Finally, you'll receive a report and suggested next steps to support you in your decision-making. Keep the report for future reference or share it directly with your health professional. Thanks for watching. Click the link below and check your symptoms today. Smart Symptom Checker is not a substitute for medical advice and can't be used to get information about babies, children under the age of 16, pregnant women, people who are immunosuppressed or on immunosuppressive treatment, and people with complex or long-term conditions.